your shirt, I like your fingers, love the way that you smell. To be your favorite jacket just so I could always be near. I loved you for so long, sometimes it's hard to bear. But after all this time, I hope you wait.
Hindi ka nagulat Mukhang ina-expect mo na talaga ako.
Heck? In your dreams.
Maaga pa para managinip. Ito naman. Nanin ko kasi mag-lunch break na kayo
So?
Sabihin na tayo.
Why?
Bakit masarap at saka malinis? Hindi ko alam. Tanungin natin yung may-ari mamaya.
Why?
Para may kasabay ka.
Why?
Para hindi ka mag-isa.
Why?
Hindi ka dalawa. Ito naman. Lunch lang naman
Because your answers don't make sense.
Gusto kita makasama. Okay na ba yung sagot kung gusto kita makasama?
Kung gusto mo ang isang tao, mahihirapan ka ng alisin siya sa isip at puso mo. So my suggestion to you is find a distraction. Find a better guy. And maybe somebody who's not kadire.
No. I'm not having lunch with you. Because you're kadire.
Anong kadiri? 3 beses pa lang yung
After all this time, I hope you wait.